Feeling safe and secure is one of the essential parts of what makes a house feel like a home. Orbii is a Wi-Fi connected robotic ball equipped with an HD camera and an array of environmental sensors so you can monitor your home while you're away. However, with security systems costing in the hundreds and thousands of dollars, this is a part of their home that is often neglected. Orbii is able to protect your home with only one unit because it's the only system that can freely move from room to room. With Orbii's modular design, you can customize it to your individual needs, swapping out different panels that provide specific functionality. Orbii is equipped with a high-definition camera, microphone, speaker, and is accessible from any device no matter where you are. Orbii offers innovative features at an accessible price point. Even the more inexpensive home monitoring devices require multiple cameras and sensors, defeating the purpose of being an affordable security solution. Orbii is the new industry standard for home security and will give you security knowing that your home is protected.
It's a smart home monitoring device that will give you peace of mind when you're away from your home.
Most home monitoring devices these days requires multiple cameras to be installed in each room. This makes it unaffordable and very hard to install.
Our team came up with an idea to make a home monitoring system that is affordable and easy to install, and can still provide all the functionalities of a sophisticated home monitoring system.
What sets Orbii apart from other home monitoring systems is its mobility.
Orbii connects with your home Wi-Fi and lets you drive it around from anywhere in the world and from any device.
We have built various prototypes in the last 6 months. Now we are getting ready to begin production.
We want to make Orbii a new industry standard for home monitoring systems. And to do this, we need your support.
A few years ago, no one would have ever thought that life would become a giant collection of digital files. This ever-increasing amount of digital information is your history, your memories, your life. Where do you store it? How do you keep it safe? We can't count on our hardware devices. They break, they get stolen, or we lose them. And our lifetime of photos and personal information goes with them. We all love the cloud. It makes sure our information stays intact, even when our devices don't. But we also fear the cloud. Our entire digital life is somewhere else, in someone else's hands. What if they wanted to sell your data? Or steal your identity? Or use your bank information? What if they could see or duplicate your photos? Or find out where you live? It's important to remember that what gets uploaded to the cloud stays in the cloud. Even if you delete your copies, they're out there forever. But what if you had a small, easy-to-use device that encrypted all your cloud-stored data at the source, so your files would appear jumbled, unreadable to everyone but you? There is such a device. It's called SMiD, and it's built for people like you, who love the cloud but need to make 100% sure that no one will ever see your data. SMiD Pro is the only cloud privacy device designed and priced for personal use. It automatically encrypts your information before it leaves your home or office or wherever you are. You get a light, portable device and a single startup key. All you need to do is create an account and choose your cloud providers. That's it. You're up and encrypting all of your cloud-stored data. Even if someone did try to access or view your information in the cloud, all they would see is encrypted data. It would be of absolutely no value or interest to them, at all. Want total privacy in the cloud? Just plug in your SMiD. Safeguard your digital life forever.
We've been working non-stop for over 2 years to design and develop SMiD. We are fans of cloud storage, but we know that it has certain privacy risks. So, in order to make cloud storage a viable option for everyone, we created SMiD. It's like make every cloud your own.
is a remote. It doesn't look like one, and that's a good thing. A touch dims the lights. A touch controls the music. A touch becomes a simple and quick way to talk to your home. Meet TurnTouch, a solid wood remote that controls devices, lights, and apps with a simple touch. Begin your day with one push of a button, and your alarm silences. The lights turn on, and the thermostat turns up the temperature. With TurnTouch, you can quickly wake up your house so you can focus on getting yourself up. You can even use it to read the news. TurnTouch can connect to any plug-in in your house. Use it to control a tea kettle, your speakers, even a lava lamp. And because the remote connects to your phone, you can take it anywhere, like your backyard. Use it to play music, practice yoga, or take a selfie. Sculpted from natural wood and mother of pearl, each remote is unique. At home again, stay focused by using your remote to make it just right. It's easy to find the lighting you want without distraction. And when it's time for bed, press a single button to put your house to sleep. Dozens of apps fit neatly into only 4 buttons. TurnTouch. Beautiful control.
I'm Sam Clay, founder of NewsBlur and creator of TurnTouch. I built TurnTouch because I wanted a simple way to seamlessly control my Mac and my smart devices without having to pull out my phone. I carved a lot of wood to get here. I chose to make my remote out of solid wood because I wanted it to feel more like furniture than a gadget. This is your light switch. This is your power switch, your news reader, your alarm clock, even your DJ. You can use this remote.
To go far, to explore new places, turn any terrain into your playground. Setting the right tire pressure is paramount for the best traction. What if you can adjust your tire pressure on the go? That's why we invented the WhiteCrow Hub. At the flick of a switch, you can effortlessly increase the pressure of your tire. The WhiteCrow Hub regulates your tire pressure through a closed-air system, efficient and always clean. The WhiteCrow Hub enables multiple increment and decrement steps as often as required. Ride further and get the best traction with the WhiteCrow Hub.